Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kuta area on Kartika Plaza Street. As we know together, Denpasar International Airport is already open 2 weeks ago. So we will see how the impact of reopening International Airport. Just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Kuta area on Kartika Plaza Street. But now we start from Kuta Art Market. You see in this area, there is lot of shop is already open. Yeah, that is good because since 2 weeks ago when the International Border Airport is open, we are really happy and we hope for future Bali getting better and better. And also for local tourism, there is now lots of them, they come to Bali to make vacation. You see right side and left side? Yeah, there is a lot souvenir shop is open today. That is really good, isn't it? I'm really happy to see that. The local people starting their business. Okay guys, if I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to Seminyak or Kuta Beach. If I straight down, there is the way to go to Denpasar. But today, I will turn right to explore Kartika Plaza Street. Yeah, now we are in Kartika Plaza Street. So we will see together how the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street on the end of October 2021. Okay guys, actually in this video I make video around 7 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street. You see in the right side there is Kuta Paradiso Hotel and also look very quiet. It's very quiet, isn't it? And right side there is seafood restaurant, but also it's closed. It's very sad. And in the right side there is Melasti Kuta Bungalow. There's no one car parking there. Look very quiet. It's very sad, isn't it? Okay guys, now we continue driving in Kartika Plaza Street. Actually, I already explored this area 2 weeks ago, but you can compare how they're different 2 weeks ago and today. Today on 31st of October, I update again this area because on request from my viewers, because they want to know how the real situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street. You see left side, there is Babagam, all closed. It's very sad, isn't it? And you see right side, Olive Garden. Yeah, there is also look very quiet. Kartika Plaza Street is very famous because there is a lot big mall and also have water boom park, the biggest water boom park in Asia. You see left side, there is water boom park. Yeah, there is some car parking there. I think now it's still quiet because it's too early in the morning because I make this video around 9 AM. And in the right side, there is big shopping mall we call Discovery Mall. And this mall is the biggest mall in this area on Kartika Plaza Street because this shopping mall is connecting by the beach. So behind this mall is Kuta Beach. Okay guys, I just want to say thank you very much for your support my channel so far. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area. Yeah, there is some car parking in Bali Rani hotels. But so far on the street is very quiet, isn't it? There is not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. It just look very quiet. You can see on the right side, there is Sun Island Kartika Plaza. Actually, the weather today is very beautiful. This morning was so clear, but sometimes it changed in the afternoon. In the morning it's clear, in the afternoon sometimes it's cloudy. And as we know together, in the right side this area there is a lot of big hotels, and the hotel is connecting by the beach. You see right side? There's the big hotels. It's beautiful, isn't it? Just beautiful decoration. Kunyit Hotel. But again, you see on the street, it's very quiet, isn't it? There is just not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. As we know together, before the pandemic corona, in this area, on the sidewalk, there's a lot of people walk around. But today, they still look very quiet. And also you can see right side, there is another shopping mall we call Lipo Mall Kuta. Yeah, also look quiet. It's very bad, isn't it? I hope this video will give you information about situation in Kartika Plaza Street. You see a hotel right side? Yeah, there's some car parking there. Okay, if I turn right at the front, that is the way to go to Legian Beach. Okay guys, now we're still in Kartika Plaza Street. So what do you think about Kartika Plaza Street? It is still look very quiet, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also, don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.